Hi everybody, my name is Crystal and this is my channel, Hook That Yarn. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I start a magic ring and crochet in the round for my amigurumi projects. But I also wanted to give you guys another option, which is the chain 2 method, which I think can help, especially if you aren't comfortable doing the magic ring yet. I'm going to hold up the 2 swatches I made for this video. I'd like to hear in the comments which one you guys think is the magic ring and which one is the chain 2 method. And at the end of the video, I will reveal which one is which. Okay, so for the magic ring method, you're going to want to have a little bit of a tail. And you'll see why that is in a minute. So we're going to start off by making a slip knot, but not closing it all the way. So we're going to do the slip knot, and then we're going to turn over the slip knot and insert our hook. We're going to tighten it a little bit, and then we're going to do a chain of 1. And then you're going to crochet into the center of the slip knot you just made the indicated amount as for the pattern that you're using. And now I'm gonna take out the tail end from the hole, and I'm going to secure it, and I'm gonna pull it close. With the chain 2 method, you're just gonna want a longer tail. You're gonna do a slip knot like you regularly do, and you're gonna chain up 2. And then you're gonna work your 6 single crochets, or the indicated amount for your pattern, in the second chain from the hook. Oops, I did that a little tight. So this is 6. When you compare it to the magic ring version, there's a huge hole in this one. But how do you fix it? So you would just do an extra step, taking your tail end that you're not working with and a large eye sewing needle, also known as an embroidery needle or a crochet needle. You can search it up like that anywhere. You take this, and what I would do is go the opposite direction of where you're working. So you're working in this direction, I would go in this direction, but just insert it in between the stitches and go around. I'd go halfway, pull it in, pull it through. And you can already see if I pull this is going to tighten my stitches up. Essentially, it looks exactly the same, and no one's going to even know. Who's going to know? No one's going to know. This one is the magic ring, and this one is the chain 2. Twins. And yeah, I hope that helps someone. Bye.